Hello. This text is read by a neural network. Thank you for your comments on the previous video, it really helped me. I want to share some notes on the changes. On the left of the screen will be the old version of the project, and on the right, the new one. At the beginning of the animation, I tried to fix the center of gravity. Also, I corrected the feet a little, mostly by changing the type of handle in the graphics editor. I also tried to add dynamics to the sharp turn. I sped up the rotation of the body by 1 frame, and changed the arc along which the arms move. I also added a little anticipation before lifting the body. I also made the elbows more pressed to the body while running. And I added a little camera shaking with the noise modifier at the moments when the robot moves. When I was making this animation, I constantly encountered the problem that it is very difficult to adjust the head rotation. In many moments, I had to animate in each frame. And it seems there is a method that would get rid of these problems. This is switching to quaternion rotation. But if you just switch, the whole animation will be broken. But if you enable the Rigify add-on, it is free and seems to be pre-installed. Then select the desired bone and go to Pose, Convert Rotation Mode. And here select Quaternion. This will convert the whole animation. It seems that quaternion would be better in many of these places of animation. And it seems that the rotation becomes more predictable. I hope this video will be useful to someone. I will be glad to your feedback.